What's up guys, this is Basi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to solve another example of half-life. A 3.6 gram sample of iodine 131 has a half-life of 8 days. After 50 days, how much is left? So the formula is, we had it many times, m dot 0.5 to the power of t over theta. So it says how much is gonna it means that we are looking for m, which is the remaining mass. M dot is initial mass or mass in the beginning. 0.5 time is 50 days and half-life time is 8 days. So we just calculated. It's gonna be 3.6 times 0.5 to the power of 50 divided by 8 in bracket. It is gonna be 0.047 grams, and make sure that you have the same unit. M and m dot has to have the same unit. T and theta has to have the same unit as well. Next example, it says the half-life of sodium 25 is 1 minute. Starting with 230 grams of this isotope, how much will remain after half hour? So again, m is equal to m dot 0.5 to the power of t divided by theta. Theta is 1 minute, t is half hour, or we need to basically change it to minutes, so it's going to be 30 minutes. M dot was 230 grams, so m will be 230.5. 30 divided by 1 is going to be 30, so m will be 230. 2.14 times 10 to the power of negative 7 grams. That's gonna be their remaining mass. Then let's do another example. Next example, it says what is the half-life of PO214 if after 310 seconds a 20 gram sample decays to 0.08 grams. So we need to find out the half-life. So theta, t is 310 seconds, initial mass is 20 and final mass is 0.08. So we have 0.08 equals to 20 times 0.5 to the power of 310 over theta. So in order to solve it, we need to divide both sides by 20. 0.08 divided by 20. 0.5 to the power of 310 theta. So we have 0.08 divided by 20. It is going to be 0.004 equals to 0.5 to the power of 310 divided by theta. And then in order to find theta, we need to get log for both sides. For 310 over theta, log 0.5. So 310 divided by theta is going to be log 0.004 divided by log 0.5. So log 0.004 divided by 0.5, it is gonna be 7.9658. Then theta is gonna be 310 divided by 7.9658. That's gonna be 38.9 seconds. That's gonna be the half-life. Why seconds? Because the time in here was seconds, so it has to be the same unit. So these are the 3 examples I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding half-life and other topics in chemistry, math and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.